Hello everyone, and welcome to my introduction to Python Arcade Game Library. So just go to Google and Google for Python Arcade, and you will get the first page, which is the arcade.academy. So let's open this page. And here you can find all sorts of examples and quick API index and all the documentation for the Arcade library. So first of all, what is Arcade library? Arcade is a game development library for Python built on top of Pyglet. So under the hood, it uses OpenGL for rendering and this kind of stuff. And of course, it uses Pyglet for windowing and also Pyglet for the input event handling, so from the keyboard and also from the mouse. So this is its official website, and you can take also a look at the GitHub page in the source code tab. And the Arcade library is developed by this person called Paul V. Craven. He's a professor at Simpson College in Iowa, USA. And as you can see, Arcade is still maintained, so it was updated 5 days ago. And yeah, just look at the GitHub page and search for the informations. And as you can see, the latest version is 2.0.9, which was released on May 11 this year, so 2019. And now let's go to the installing. And I already prepared here a separate virtual environment for testing Arcade, and I already activated this separate virtual environment. You don't need to create a separate environment for this. You can just globally install Arcade if you want. So I'm going to install now the Arcade. So with pip, first of all, let's just list what we have in this environment. So we have nothing installed, or we have just pip and the setup tools installed in this library. And it also says that we should upgrade pip. So I'm going to first, before I install the Arcade, I'm going to upgrade the pip. So python-m pip install --upgrade and pip. And okay, it successfully uninstalled the older version of pip and successfully installed pip version 19.1.1. And now let's list. So we have just pip and the setup tools, and now let's install the Arcade. So pip install Arcade. And it installs all the dependencies. So Pillow, NumPy, Future, Pyglet, FFmpeg, and the Arcade. Okay, and now let's list. And as you can see, it installed Arcade version 2.0.9, also this future package, NumPy, Pillow, which is for imaging or image loading and all sorts of image manipulations. Pyglet, as I said, Arcade is built on top of Pyglet, and it installed 1.4.0b1 version, although the latest version of Pyglet, which was released at least 1 or 2 weeks ago, is 1.4.1. So it still uses the 1.4 beta 1. And it also installed Pyglet-FFmpeg 2, which is for playing back audio. And yeah, that's all the requirements for running the Arcade. So now let's create a basic window using Arcade. So I'm going to just first of all set the Python interpreter for this project. So if you get this error, invalid Python interpreter, you can select this configure Python interpreter, and here just click on this and add an existing environment, because we have already an existing environment. And here we can find that environment, virtual environment I created for these videos. So it is located inside the username and documents and the dev, and here I have Python environment, and here is the Arcade separate virtual environment. So go to the scripts folder and select the python.exe and just OK. And PyCharm reloads, and now as you can see we have below Arcade, Future, NumPy, pip, Pyglet and the setup tools. So let's apply and OK, and now this error or this warning will disappear. So I'm going to import the arcade. Now the warning is gone. So import arcade, and let's create a class for our custom window. So class, let's call it my game window, and this custom my game window class will inherit from the arcade.window class window. So let's create an init method. So under init, and after self it will take width, height, and also a title. So width, height, and title. And now let's just call the super.init, and also give it the width, the height, and the title. And the next thing I like to do is set the window location. So self, you can do this with the self.setLocation, set underscore location, and I'm going to put it on x 400 and y 200. So the window will be from the top left corner of your monitor. It will go to 400 pixels on X and 200 pixels on Y, so it will be located somewhere here. And then the next thing, I'm going to create a my game window object with the width of 1280, the height of 720, and the title will be my game window. And the next thing to actually run the application is calling by the arcade.run method. So now we should have a basic window. Let me try this out. So I'm going to run it. And yeah, and this window has a width of 1280 by 720, its height, and its title is my game window. So as you can see, my game window. So this is how you can create a basic window in Arcade. And in the next few videos I'm going to continue with things like the drawing API, how to load sprite, how to load animated sprites, and so on. So until then, thanks for watching, and of course have a nice day.